Shalom, and happy morning to you. Within every group, congregation, or assembly, there always exists an individual or individuals who will poison the waters with their envious and greedy ways. These souls are weeds, planted by the devil to bring disorder and introduce vile practices to those gathered. No matter how noble the group or assembly at its start, how intent they are on being dedicated to and focused on Yah, the algorithm dictates that the infiltration will occur, and the group will be corrupted by those with ill intentions. This goes back to the parable Yeshua told in Matthew 13, verses 24 to 30, of the kingdom being compared to a man who sowed good seed in his field. While he slept, we are told, an enemy came and sowed weeds among his good wheat. So when the plants grew and bore grain, weeds also sprang up. This is why we see Yeshua's fold of disciples being infiltrated by Judas. And even the righteous assemblies the emissaries later set up were infiltrated also and corrupted. This is what Jude was hinting at in Jude 1 verse 4 when he said, "Certain people have crept in among you unnoticed." And so it is to this day, as we have evil-minded individuals corrupting assemblies everywhere, and so it must be till the time of the end. For where jealousy and selfish ambition exist, there will be disorder in every vile practice. James 3, verse 16.